So in this particular video, we are supposed to earn money just by listening to music and also by trying out some service. Yeah, I started testing this website for like 2 days now, and it has really been impressive since I started testing out this website. I first of all saw this website on a particular channel from this person called Mike Akere, and then a subscriber also commented in my last video. I was like, oh Akere, why don't you just try this channel? They are paying a lot for this channel. So you can also see the comment on the description. So I decided I was going to try it out. So I went ahead, I logged in, I signed out, and what I've seen so far has really been impressive. So I'm going to quickly share my screen with you right now, as I always do, and then we are going to take a look at it, and then I can introduce the website to you. So let me quickly share my screen with you while we actually take a look at this particular website together and show you everything I've done and what you need to do also. So if you can see my screen right now, if you can see my screen, if you can see my screen right now, we are on this website called ratstone.com. I'm going to be putting the link to this particular website in the description, so not to worry, you can just go on the description and just click on it, and then you are on it. So in this particular website, as you can see, you can earn money up to 43 pence just by listening to a song, and this one is also 29 pence, this is 38, this is 44. This is a lot of money just by listening to music. And then if you also add some survey to it, you can earn as much as $3, up to $3 in a day from this particular website. Impressive, right? So let's just so like I said, I've already started since 2 days ago. This is my third day on the website, and yeah, I've not opened the website today as I'm making it, so I just wanted to wait till this video, then I can just do the listening part of the song to you, and then you can see the same thing. So all you have to do is log in. I already put my details, so all I have to do is just click on login. So after logging into this website, it will bring you to this particular brilliant page. You see this particular brilliant page, and if you can see here, look at this song here. If you see this song here, it costs 62 pence, and this one is 56, and this is 66 also. That is 3 songs for today. And then if you come to this artist song also, just by your left, artist song, you also see another 2 songs. So that is 5 songs you can listen to in a day, and then you are making money for you. If you come here, I told you I've been testing this website for 3 days now. If you come here, just by the top right, you will see my earnings so far. That means I've earned $19.98 so far from this website since I actually started. So let me show you what I've been doing so far. So when you register, after you start, you put in your details, it will bring you to this particular home page, and on this home page you get to see songs. It's just 3 of them. This one, if you listen to these ones that don't have money in front of them, you are just doing this just for yourself, so you don't be getting money for that. So you just need to come here, click on the play button, so after click on the play button, and then you see the song start playing like this. Remember, I have 1998. After the song keep playing like this, it's keep playing. You can increase your volume if you don't want. You can leave it to just play for some seconds, and then you click on continue. After I click on continue, it plays again, and after playing again, then it will bring it to complete. So wait for it to play, and then it brings complete. And after that, after you hit on complete, it will add your 92 pence, and you see now my money has increased to $20.06. So the next thing, you just do that with the other songs also. Do the same thing. I want to do this in this video. I hope this video will not be long, but it's just few seconds, so just stick with me to the end of the video, and then I will also try to withdraw. This is my third day. I've not tried to withdraw, so I will just try to do it. Maybe it will be possible live, because I wanted to do it live. I don't just want to show you guys how it works, blah, blah, so I just want to do it live. So we are going to try to withdraw live also, so just stick to the end of this video. Click on continue. So we try to play all the songs, and then we'll try to see if we can cash out these $20 which I've actually made. So let's quickly do it. So complete, and we are done with the second song of the day. Now I have 21. So let's click on the third one. Maybe we just do the three just for the sake of not making this video too long. I will go to the other ones later, the other two songs that are left later, and click on continue. So after hitting my continue, you see it's actually brought me to a survey. It's brought a survey for me, and you can also perform this survey also. If you perform this survey also, you also get money from this survey. It's complete as usual. After it's complete, it reloads, and then you see I have 2182. Let me show you the survey. So I just click on this survey, and then it tells me blah blah. Tell us about yourself. Do you prefer instrumental or vocal centric music? So I can just say both equally. Then I click on next, and then they tell you thank you for completing the survey. Your reward has been registered on the website. You were redirected from. So now if you click on we want more surveys, then you can click on this, and then it will bring you to another page. But my site has been blocking it, so it tells me that it's not secure. It tells me that this to open this other page is not secure, so I just leave it and I just close it. And if we go back, you will see that the money has already been added. So refresh, you see we have 21 before complete the survey. Just refresh, you see now we have 23. So that means they had almost $2 from this particular survey. So they have some other surveys which you can actually try here. You can click on complete, and then it will bring you to this page. And then my site has been blocking it also, but when I go on Firefox, it takes me to this page. Then you can try it for you also. So that's for service, but we are focusing on music. So I still have two songs here, but I don't want this video to be too long, so I will come back to these two songs. So this is my third day. If you click on it, I will also get money from this. So let's try to withdraw. So this is everything, and we just have to go to my wallet. When we go to my wallet, you can also do referral. If you also get money from referral. Let's quickly go to referral. Also from referral, you can copy your link, and then you can just share it with your friends. For each registered user, you get $1. So if everybody register under your link, you get $1. I'm going to be putting the link, so I hope you guys to just refer. So let's make the money together. I catch you guys. So let's go to wallet. So when we get to wallet, then we can withdraw. You see, this is all their withdrawal points which you can have. So of course I'm going to be using paper. So I'm going to be filling in my details. So I just fill in my paper details, and let's try to withdraw. Oh no. Okay, I didn't expect this. This is funny. So they said payments not generated. You must reach $90. Oh my god. Okay, I wonder. I said this money was really going so fast. I think we'll be able to cash it out. So we have to get to $90 to cash out the money from here. Okay, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to keep listening to music and doing some surveys every day, and then in the next video, once I make sure it's $90, then I will try to cash it out together live. Promise that it's going to be live. I'm not going to do it behind you guys. I'm going to do it live just for you guys to see if I'll be able to cash out. So I'll put the link in the description, so you all can register and start making money. And I believe during the week I should get to $90 if I keep doing it, because I was able to earn almost $25 within 3 days. So I believe during the week I should then be able to get to $90. So I'm going to be doing this live in the next video. I promise this is going to be the next video is going to be live, me withdrawing from this website. You can also try this service and let me know what you think. So far the website looks cool. It's a new website and they're really paying well, so I hope you guys can try it out. The link is in the description. Try it out and let me know if it actually worked for you. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. I remain a big Akere Buluwa. Please support by also subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you in the next one as usual. Bye for now. Peace.